5 Cuisinart Air Fryer 2026. Let's dive into the details. Number 5. 6-quart air fryer with 5 cooking functions. Meet your new kitchen MVP, the 6-quart air fryer that does it all. Whether you're air frying crispy wings, roasting a whole 4 pounds, chicken, or baking a cake, its 5 cooking functions: air fry, roast, bake, broil, and keep warm. Handle every meal with ease. 5 smart presets take the guesswork out of cooking fries, veggies, leftovers, and more. With 1,800 watts of power and temps up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, it delivers golden, crispy results fast. The intuitive touchscreen gives a helpful toss reminder, while the large viewing window lets you watch perfection unfold. Plus, it automatically keeps food warm when done. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to delicious, effortless meals. Number 4. 4-in-1 air fryer. Fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate. Craving crispy, golden fries or juicy wings without the guilt? Meet your kitchen's new MVP, the 4-in-1 air fryer. Using air crisp technology, it delivers that deep-fried crunch with up to 75% less fat, all without the mess. Whether you're air frying, roasting, reheating leftovers, or dehydrating snacks, this versatile machine does it all. The spacious 5-cutie non-stick basket fits family-sized meals, yet its sleek design saves precious counter space. From frozen to crispy in minutes, cleanup is a breeze. Just pop the basket and crisper plate in the sink. Plus, a chef-inspired recipe book gets you started right away. Healthier, faster, easier. Your taste buds and waistline will thank you. Number 3. 8.5 Cutie Dual Basket Air Fryer with Sink Finish. Meet your new kitchen multitasker, the 8.5 Cutie Dual Basket Air Fryer with Sink Finish. Cook 2 different dishes, like crispy wings and golden fries, at the same time, at different temps, and still have them finish together thanks to Sink Finish technology. Whether you're meal prepping or serving a full dinner, Sink Settings lets you duplicate functions for batch cooking, while 3 handy presets take the guesswork out of air frying favorites. With air fry, roast, bake, and keep warm functions, plus dishwasher-safe ceramic-coated baskets, cleanup is a breeze. From busy weeknights to weekend feasts, this Cuisinart Air Fryer delivers delicious, hassle-free meals every time. Number 2. 6-quart air fryer with 4 cooking functions. Meet your new kitchen MVP, the Cuisinart 6-quart air fryer. With room to cook a whole 4 pounds, chicken or crispy wings for the whole family, it's as spacious as it is smart. Choose from 4 versatile functions: air fry, bake, roast, and keep warm, plus 3 one-touch presets for fries, wings, and frozen snacks. Powered by 1,800 watts and reaching up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, it delivers crispy, golden results fast, and even keeps food warm when you're ready to serve. Cleanup? A breeze. The PFAS-free ceramic nonstick basket and crisper plate are dishwasher safe. Whether you're meal prepping or hosting, this air fryer makes delicious, healthier cooking effortless and seriously satisfying. Number 1. 15-in-1 digital air fryer oven. Fry, bake, toast, and more. Meet your new kitchen MVP, the 15-in-1 digital air fryer oven. With 1,800 watts and a spacious 0.90 cubic foot interior, it air fries 4 pounds of crispy wings, roasts a whole 13 pounds turkey, and more, all with little to no oil. 10 cooking functions, including air fry, bake, grill, dehydrate, and toast, plus 5 smart presets make weeknight meals effortless. The IntelliTemp probe ensures juicy, perfectly cooked proteins every time. Included are a 2-in-1 baking pan, air fry basket, oven rack, and a ceramic reversible grill/griddle for indoor grilling year-round. From snacks to suppers, this versatile powerhouse does it all, so you can cook smarter, not harder. So, that sums up my 5 Cuisinart air fryer. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next time, have a great